Okay, ever wondered how new words like unfriend, dis or dislike become part of our daily vocabulary even before they hit the dictionary? That's the power of morphology. And today I'm going to introduce you to a textbook that makes exploring word formation not just understandable but exciting. So, let's talk about this book. The title is Introducing Morphology, written by Rosel Lieber, a must read for anyone diving into the world of words, especially for the student and for the teacher who want to teach uh, English lesson. This textbook is written for undergraduate student and the teacher like that. So the main goal of this book is to teach you how words are built using real language data, step-by-step analysis, and hands-on exercise. From morphemes and word structure to productivity, typology, inflection, and the mental lexicon. Introducing morphology gives you the tools to understand and analyze how language really works. So now let's talk about the benefits that you can get from this book. First, this book gives you interactive and practical learning. Each chapter includes challenges, mini research tests that push you to experiment with words. From real language, one activity even asks you to keep a word log of new or strange words you encounter, making you a word detective in real life. For example, one challenge encourages you to figure out what we say rewash, not resolve. That's hands-on methodology at its best. And second, clear explanation for beginners. The book explains complex topics like morphemes, inflection, and derivation in a very student-friendly way. No jargon overload. And the third benefit is cross-linguistic perspective. Like the writer doesn't just focus on English, tokens, and lexemes is made crystal clear using real example like walk, walks, walking. So the example from this book is very clear. So now we talk about the limitation of this book. Also, it's a book. No one book is perfect. So let's talk about the limitation. First, the limit is delayed theoretical focus. If you excited about linguistic theory, you will need wait until the final chapter. Some students might prefer theory upfront. For example, in chapter 10, finally introduce blocking, bracketing, paradox, and affix ordering. But you only get there after 9 chapters of practical groundwork. It take a long time. And second is heavily geared to classroom use. Many exercises work best in group discussion or with instructor guidance. Independent learners might find it challenging. So it will be hard for the alone who doesn't have any instructor or friends or group. And then the next limitation is some language examples may feel abstract. Well differs some examples like templatic morphology or infixation might feel too exotic or abstract without background in the language. Right now is there is some question. So why we must or why we should read this book? So why we need to read this book is because it doesn't just teach you what is morphology, it teaches you to do it. If you are a student of English or linguistics, this this book gives you tools to analyze word structure across language, apply rules, and critically question what counts as a real word, something no dictionary alone can teach you. So, for the evidence in this book is like this book challenge our dependence on dictionary by introducing the idea of the mental lexicon. You'll start questioning and tries like bounce back ability, like that word, and then realize that just because it's not in the dictionary doesn't mean it's not a real word. So there is many words that not included in dictionary, but you can get it by know the morphology. By the end, you will not only understand word formation, but also be able to contribute your own insight to this fascinating field. This is morphology. So, in the end, if you want textbook that spark and engage your curiosity, explain have a clear explanation and lets you to explore language more from inside out, introducing morphology is the best choice. Whether you are a future linguist, a teacher, or a student, or just a someone that interested in English language, or and want to learn and to know about it. So this book will change the way you see the words. Don't just study words, understand them, play with them, own them, get your copy today, and start doing it. Thank you. That's about this book, Introducing Morphology.